Friends, in today's video, you will get to see how you can open an corporation in Canada, that to a named corporation for less than $190. Now, this is the Canada government's website, and you see here, just to incorporate, you pay $200. And I have made a video where you will see how the documentation process is time consuming. And in addition, if you're going for a named corporation, in addition to this $200, you go for a nuance report, which additionally cost you close to $14. So 214 is minimum. And if you're doing this through any service provider, you will see that it will be upward of this $325. Just by following this video, you will be able to incorporate your business. You will get the Ownr subscription for free, and you will get to see what all package you get in this. As a business owner who is just starting, you need some hand holding, and this is a great way to start your business when you have information right at your doorstep. Also, once you have your incorporation done, you will need a business bank account. Going through this process, you get all in all for close to $190. And to get this, all you have to do is just below this video in the description, I've shared my affiliate link, which you need to go and click. And by using this link, you get this 15% off automatically at the time of checkout. Now, you can directly go on their website. This is their website. And if you go there, you see this 15% discount is not shown. So make sure you're using the link, and that way you get to see all the discount what I'm showing you on the screen. Also, you will see how easy this interface is to fill your detail, unlike what I did when I was incorporating, and how quickly you can get your incorporation done. Once you're on this website using the link, click Get Started Now. You come to this page, which is Let's Get Started page. And here, since it is a new business, select New, and then my company is located in. Right now, this service, as I'm making the video, is available in Ontario, Alberta, British Columbia, and Quebec. As and when the services are available for other provinces and territory, I'll keep updating. But for now, I'm selecting Ontario and then clicking Next. So on this page, basically here it shows what incorporation is and what sole proprietorship is. I'm selecting incorporation here, and then about your company, I want a named or numbered company. So when you go for a numbered company, you will get a number followed by Canada in. When you're going for a named company, there are certain requirements, and that it must be unique, must contain a distinctive element and descriptive element. For example, when I click here, it shows R Group Computers Inc. Limited Corporation, Limited Incorporated Corporation. You can choose any one of these extensions, but it has to show that distinctive and descriptive nature of the name. For example, when I enter my company name, Cypher 40 Consulting, you see it shows that it meets the requirement and it shows confirmed. So it satisfies all the legal requirement and has passed preliminary name search test. So once this is done, click Next. So this is the create your account page. I already have a login credential. Once you go enter your name, email and password and sign up, you come to this page where you have to fill in these information. Again, this is a very simple version what you see here. If you watch my video where I have done directly on the government website, it is time consuming. So once you come to this account information, you see here Cypher 40 Consulting Inc. It shows here. Then on the account information, your phone number and the address. Since I'm in Ontario, the province remains as Ontario, and here I've chosen I'm a Canadian resident. If you don't know who Canadian resident is, a Canadian resident is either citizen or a permanent resident who ordinarily reside in Canada. So you can read more. Since I'm a Canadian resident, I've selected this and then click Next. This is the corporate information page where by default this shows up as Federal Canadian and province as Ontario. I'm keeping as it is, and then address comes from what was already filled. Then my company will operate in, this is the drop down. Once you click here, you see here, these are the options what is here. So choose carefully the closest one to which your business is. In my case, it is consulting and business service. So I've selected that. And then for the fiscal year, I've kept it as December. So I'll be following January to December cycle, which means I'll be paying my taxes in the next year for June. So I have selected this, then click Next. Here, this is the director and officers information. So because it's a single owner company, I select by myself. If it is more than one, then you select others. And once I select myself, you see this automatically it updates the director and officer detail. And then we come to to the share and share classes. And then next we come to the share classes. Since it is a single person, types of share, you see voting, ownership 100%. Click next. This is the individual with significant control section, and here you have to add the missing information. Once you click here, your review profile detail opens up. You check, recheck, cross check. If phone number, address, everything is done, and once you do save, you're required to give the citizenship detail and jurisdiction for tax purpose. So in this case, citizenship is selected and jurisdiction for tax purpose selecting as Canada. So if you are Canadian, you will select Canada, okay, and then the jurisdiction for the tax purpose. So once you finish, you see that detail has been completed. Now you click next. You come to choose your plan section, and you see here right now it shows government registration fee as $200, legal formation as $299. Don't worry, once we go to the next page, you will see how this discount gets applied and what you will end up paying finally. So with the annual subscription, you see these two plans are available: online minute book plan and managed corporation plan. For the first year, the minute book plan is free, and after that every year it renews for $199, or you go for the managed corporation plan, which is additional $499 per year, and this is for the first year. Then it renews for $599 after 1 year. The difference is shown here, what you get, and based on your need, you can go and select whichever plan you want. Once I select plan, which is free, you now see we come to the billing information page where the government registration shows $200, legal formation $299, 1 year owner's subscription is free, and because you are opening a RBC bank account, you get a discount of $300. Also, because you are using the link which is given below, you get a promo discount in addition all this. So in total, what you end up paying is $187.19. So it shows as discount applied. And once this is done, you click next, you reserve the name, do the final review, and then once you submit, this company will get your registration done and they will email you detail of your registration. Congratulations. I hope you find this video useful, and as I said, please use the link below to avail all that was shown in the video. Also, if you come to my website, canadatriedandtested.com, you see here organized link. I've kept all these videos organized in case you want to go for a business license permit, finance plan, how to get your business number, how to update your address with CRA. All those details I have kept it here, which will be useful for you. So do check out the website for more detail. Thank you.